I'm Kiki. Happy to see all of you again. Today we are going to make a colorful flowers. But before that, Unicorn will give us a ride to see a lot of beautiful flowers at Garden by the Bay. Come. Hi guys. Okay. Kiki. Hold tight. Up, up, away. Unicorn, I got a song for you. Let's sing it, everybody. The more we get together, 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 the more we get together, the happier we'll be. For your friends are my friends, and my friends are your friends. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. The more we get together, 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 the more we get together, the happier we'll be. For your friends are my friends, and my friends are your friends. The more we get together, the happier we'll be.
Sunny day I'm happy. On a sunny day I smile. Flowers bloom in the sunlight. We play outside, and we go and look for butterflies.
Hi guys, this is the flower that I made. Now I'm going to show you how to make these flowers. Okay guys, now you need A4 paper. You can use one colorful A4 paper, watercolor, and a brush. This one is the crepe paper. Alright, okay, let's start. Okay, now we fold the paper into 3 parts. After that, fold into half. Okay. Now we're going to use 20-cent coin, right? Put it in the middle. Put a dot at the center. Start to measure. Okay, first one is you use 4 centimeter. So centerize it 2 centimeter at the dot point. Okay, 0 to 4. Then 0 to 4. 4. 0 to 4. So then you draw a circle. Okay. No need to be so round. Okay, as long as you draw it a round circle. And then so this one is 4 centimeter. And then this one is 5 centimeters. So it the same 6 centimeter. Okay guys, we're going to prepare the watercolor. Alright, so you put water inside this. We're going to start with yellow color. Okay, mix it. Now guys, when you mix the watercolor, make sure it's not thick. Okay, it's quite watery. Once you mix it, then you lift up your brush, you can see it drip. Okay? Okay, that means it's okay. Just nice. Okay guys, I choose 3 color, yellow, red and blue. You can choose other color. Try to choose bright color. Okay guys, you have to arrange it 4 centimeter, 5, 6, 7 and 8 centimeter. After that, you're going to use your brush. You can choose any color you like. Okay, I will choose yellow and start to Okay, I have completed the watercolor, so I let it dry for almost 1 hour. Okay, now you have to fold into half. Okay, make it into triangle and you open it up. Same thing for okay, now take up one piece, 8 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 6. So try to put all in the center. 5. And 4 centimeter. Okay. Okay, then stapler in the middle. After that, put the 20-cent coin at the center, fold it, open it up, Skidamarinka-dinka-ding, skidamarinka-doom. I love you. Skidamarinka-dinka-ding, skidamarinka-doom. I love you. I love you in the morning and in the afternoon. I love you. Okay, guys, I already done the flowers. Okay, now I'm going to do a smiling face, okay, and to put at the center of the flower. Rinkadoom, I love you. Skidamarinka-dinka-ding, skidamarinka-doom, I love you. I love you in the morning and in the afternoon. I love you in the evening and underneath the moon. Skidamarinka-dinka-ding, skidamarinka-doom, I love you. I also have this colorful smiling face. So if you have this type of colorful smiling face sticker, you also can use it. So I'm going to choose blue one. I have choose nice color green paper, A4 size. Hi guys! I hope all of you enjoy watching all the beautiful flowers and also making the colorful flowers. So I hope to see you again for my next video. Okay? See you again. Bye-bye.